In the previous section, we have understood the data analysis process, the basics and the foundation for the data analyst, and what are the different roles available in the data, what are the different activities the data analyst perform, and all these things which are related to the data analysis. So you must have got the basic understanding or the understanding about the data analysis or data analyst, and that is the first step towards our data analysis journey. Now, when it comes to actual work related to the data analyst, which tool we should use? Means there are a number of tools in the market which are available for the visualization or the reporting or dashboards or creating visualizations. But which tool is the best, and how we can say that this is a very good tool and it will have market in the future as well, or it will be in a demanding in future as well. So how we can decide? I will show you some of the surveys conducted by different independent groups, which does the survey, and we will come to the conclusion means for which tool we can learn. Now, this Gartner is one of the independent research firm which has done some survey in March 2022, and in the analytics and business intelligence platform. So they have predicted, like means whatever their findings or whatever their analysis about different tools, you can see Microsoft is named as leader. Second is W, and then we do have Google, then Click, Tipco Software, and then there were some other tools as well which are available here. Based on these challenges and leaders, and this you can see the completeness of vision as of January 2022, and you can see Microsoft is leader. When we say Microsoft, it is about the Microsoft Power BI. That is the tool which is at the top when it comes to this Gartner survey. Now there is another group or another institution, we can say Forrester, which also has recognized Microsoft as a leader in the Forrester Wave augmented platforms. Now you can see how they have measured and what are their things which we have mentioned, and you can see Microsoft has again mentioned as a leader in all these things. So this is what we can take it from here. Means we can understand that Microsoft Power BI is a leader in business intelligence and analytics area, augmented platforms as well. And out of this, we can say that means this is what we can say that this can be useful. Now, based on this independent surveys, we can say that Microsoft Power BI is the tool which we are going to use it, and that's what I'm going to take next. In the next few sessions, I will be taking the basics of the Power BI, how we can get started with the Power BI, and what are the different components available with the Power BI that we are going to see. Now, let's try to see the basics of the Power BI. What is Power BI? What are the different building blocks of the Power BI? What is the typical workflow of the Power BI? So what is Power BI? Power BI is the collection of software service, apps and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated data sources into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. This is an official definition from Microsoft, you can say. However, it may be difficult to understand now, but we will try to see means basically how it looks when we actually see the Power BI tool. This Power BI tool lets easily connect to your data sources, visualize what's important, and share that with anyone or everyone you want. That means it can connect to different data sources, as we can see is SQL, Excel, Microsoft Access, online services, cloud databases, all the databases we can connect. So this is the tool, and this tool can connect to different data sources and take the data in various format, and it can combine this data, create a data model, and based on this data model, we can create these powerful visualizations, which is very meaningful, and it can gain some valuable insights out of that raw data with the help of these visualizations or the dashboards. We will see what are the different parts of the Power BI. When it comes to the first thing is Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop is a local application which we can install on our system, and from there we can connect to different data sources, create data model in it, Then we can create a data visualizations out of it. So this is the form how it looks as the Power BI, where we can connect to different data sources and create visualizations like this. The second is a Power BI service or Power BI Pro, which is the cloud applications, where whatever the applications which we have created locally in Power BI desktop, that can be taken to the Power BI service, and this is can be accessed from the browser. So we can uh, ask any users in the world to access this Power BI from this Power BI service. So because this is being accessed from the browser and it is a cloud application. And the third one is the Power BI mobile, where whatever the applications which we have created in Power BI desktop or Power BI service, we can access it on the smart devices, where we can actually install Power BI mobile app and we can access our dashboards, visualizations, which are created in Power BI desktop or Power BI service application. So this is how it looks. We can publish our Power BI desktop applications to Power BI service. From Power BI service, we can access to Power BI mobile. Now, this is a typical workflow. The first one is the data preparation. Second one is the data modeling. And the third one is the data visualizations. Now, what happens in data preparation, there is a query editor in Power BI desktop where we can actually connect to different data sources, and we can take the data, we can actually do a data preparation there. The second step is the data modeling, where based on the data preparation, so in data preparation, we can do some transformation like deleting a row, adding column, replacing values, splitting columns. That kind of things can be done in the data preparation. And once the data preparation is ready, data modeling is having this data view and relationship view, where we store the data in a different tables, and these tables can be joined to each other. It become a data model. And once the data model is created, we can go to the data visualizations, where data visualizations, we create different charts like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, bubble chart. Many charts are available there. All these charts we can use as per our business requirement. And once we have this data visualization, we can see that in a report view, what are the visuals which we have created. Now, what is the next step? Next step is again download and install Power BI desktop. So we will see that how we can do that. And then we have to register and log into Power BI Pro or service, and we can install Power BI mobile. So these are the things as a next step for us to get started with the Power BI.